You ever see something a piece of tech does that just completely blows your mind? Something so unexpected, it just rewrites your whole idea of what's possible? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. It's a story about a car, a city thrown into total chaos, and a real glimpse into what the future of AI is all about. Let's get into it. So just imagine this for a second. You're right in the middle of a huge, buzzing city, and then, boom. In a flash, everything just stops. The power's out. That constant hum of the city, it's gone. Silence. So what happens then? Well, that exact scenario happened to a professional named Hannah Kim. She was in San Francisco for work, riding in a Tesla Cybertruck, when the whole city was just plunged into darkness. We're talking a massive citywide blackout. But right in the middle of all that chaos and confusion, something pretty incredible happened. While the entire city was basically frozen in place, her car, well, it just kept on going. And this is where it gets really wild. Just look at the difference here. On one side, you've got complete paralysis. Traffic lights are dead, cars are just stopped everywhere, horns are blaring, total chaos. But on the other side, the Cybertruck, with its full self-driving system, is just calmly navigating through all of it. It's smoothly finding its way to where it needs to go like nothing's even wrong. It's almost a little eerie, right? So how in the world is that even possible? I mean, this clearly wasn't just a car following some pre-programmed route on a map. No, this was something totally different. This was a technology that seems to, well, think a lot more like a person. The secret sauce here is something called end-to-end autonomous driving. Now, forget everything you think you know about programmers writing millions of lines of code, if a car does this, then you do that. That's not what this is. This is an AI that learns to drive kind of the same way you and I did, just by watching and doing. It takes in tons and tons of real-world driving data and basically learns to make its own judgments. Okay, let's break it down really simply. First, the AI sees the world through its cameras, basically its eyes. Second, a neural network, think of it as the AI's brain, takes in all that visual info at once and makes a gut decision. It's not looking through a rule book, it's using intuition it's developed. And finally, that decision turns into really smooth, human-like control of the steering, the gas, and the brakes. And this quote just nails it, doesn't it? The car wasn't just blindly following directions to get from A to B. It showed a real understanding of driving. It was adapting to a crazy situation that no programmer could have ever specifically coded for. And here's the real kicker. This whole thing is so much bigger than just one blackout in San Francisco. What that moment really showed us was a technology that has massive potential all over the globe. We're talking about something that can handle challenges way beyond your typical American street. I mean, think about it. How do you drive in different parts of the world? You've got countries where they drive on the left, others on the right. You've got the wild streets in parts of Asia swarming with motorcycles. You've got roads in India where a donkey might just decide to stand in the middle of the road. Trying to write a rule for every single one of those situations, it'd be impossible. It's just beautiful chaos. But see, that's the whole point. A system that learns from experience, that actually gets what driving is, doesn't need a whole new software package for every single country. It can adapt. It can pick up on the local driving style, figure out the weird challenges, and just handle it. Because it's learning the core skill, not just a list of rules. And that kind of leaves us with this huge, fascinating question, right? This isn't just about cars anymore. It's about a whole new way of thinking about AI. When our tech stops just following our instructions and actually starts learning from the world, what else becomes possible? What other things that seem impossible today become just normal tomorrow? What do you think that future is going to look like?